Hey guys, welcome back to the 2 Minute Talk. We're going to talk about washers real quick, man. Washers. We asked a bunch of questions with washers. And you can see on the screen right now, these are the questions that we asked for. You can come back and look at those. One of the things that we noticed was Appendix M of PCC1 has got a really good specification for washers, but most people use F436 washers. So we went out to go test both Appendix M and F436 washers to see what we would find, and we made coupons to test these on tarnished, rusted, painted, and clean, right? And we got a special thanks to Team and Jason Wright at CHS and the JetLube guys for helping us out, figuring all of the logistics on this out. And so we put out these coupons and we wanted to see what we could get out of the failure rates of these coupons. And one of the things that we noticed was when you added washers, this is the results page. When you added washers, what would happen is you see this little step right here with the orange dots. You can actually, if the washer slips, you can actually increase your bolt scatter, which is the amount of load on each bolt. So we started looking at the accuracy. With the thick painted flanges, we saw it was a 0.18, but otherwise it really stayed in that 0.5, 0.15, right? And this is without washers. So we had a really solid K factor of what we know to expect with 550 Extreme. We didn't get a lot of bolt scatter, but check this out. We got more bolt scatter theoretically, not theoretically, but practically. We got more bolt scatter with washers than without washers. And our K factor was a little bit lower, right? So, one of the lessons that we came out with, and I'll go to our conclusions page, is F436 washers are used by far. Trying to find appendix M washers is almost impossible to find. Not a lot of people keep them in stock. So, if you're going to get washers, that's probably what's going to end up in your plant. What K factor should you use with washers? Still a 0.16 to 0.18 with the 550 Extreme. We saw it didn't really change the K factor. But what we did see is for K factor purposes, it seems like the juice isn't worth the squeeze to add washers in all of the failure mechanisms that we showed. Washers are really good to protect equipment, right? But otherwise, they add a lot of complexity to the joint. So we haven't really even looked at the relaxation side of it. You can see that in the conclusion. That was something that maybe it helps out a little bit because it extends the length of your bolt. But ultimately, we found that the juice and the squeeze with washers needs to be questioned. If you'd like more information on this, please give us an email at info@hextechnology.com. Once again, that's info@hextechnology.com. Thanks for your time, guys. Hope you have a good day.